Hello guys. Today we will learn about types of soil. Let's learn what is soil mean. Soil is a mixture of tiny pieces of rocks, minerals, and decayed plant and animal matter. There are different types of soil, but the main types are sand, clay, and silt. Sometimes, soil can also be a mix of these types and is called loam. There are many types of soil. Sandy soil feels gritty and is made up of larger particles. It allows water to pass through quickly, so it doesn't hold much moisture. Plants that grow in sandy soil need more water because the water drains away fast. Silt soil feels smooth and soft. It's made up of medium-sized particles, smaller than sand but larger than clay. Silt soil holds water better than sand. Clay soil feels sticky and is made up of very tiny particles. It holds water more than sand soil and silt soil, but it drains slowly. Clay soil can be quite fertile, but it might get too compacted, making it hard for plant roots to grow. Loam soil is a mixture of sand, clay, and silt. It has a balance of different sized particles, making it ideal for most plants. Loam soil is often rich and fertile, providing a good environment for plants to grow. Each type of soil has different characteristics. Sandy soil. Characteristics: feel gritty, rough. Color: light, often tan or beige. Water: drains quickly, doesn't hold much water. Plants in sandy soil need lots of water because it dries out fast. Examples: cacti, carrots, and potatoes. Silt soil. Characteristics: feel soft, powdery when dry, smooth when wet. Color: usually darker than sand, can be brown or gray. Water: holds water well but drains better than clay. Plants: many plants can grow in silt soil. Examples: lettuce, radishes, and beans. Clay soil. Characteristics: feel sticky, smooth when wet, hard when dry. Color: can be various colors, often reddish or brown. Water: holds water well, drains slowly. Plants in clay soil get waterlogged easily. Examples: rice, water lilies, and certain types of grasses. Loam soil. Characteristics: feel crumbly, soft, easy to work with. Color: dark and rich, often brown or black. Water: holds a good amount of water but also drains well. Most plants love loamy soil because it's a perfect balance. Examples: tomatoes, sunflowers, and roses. Why we learn a different type of soil? Understanding these characteristics helps farmers and gardeners decide what plants will grow best in a particular type of soil. It's like knowing what each plant likes to eat and giving them the right kind of food, soil, to help them grow big and healthy. Thank you for your attention. I am waiting for your questions about type of soil. Good luck.